Hey, welcome back, and we are fueled with coffee and ready to go today. It's been a long one. It's a Friday. I know it doesn't matter to you guys because you're watching this wherever you're watching this at, but we're going to knock this out so that way you guys can have a little bit of an easier time doing these. Hopefully I can teach you guys some stuff. I'm doing the complicated ones. You guys get the easy ones, so hopefully you can learn something out of this. The drawing we did this one on a few minutes ago, or yesterday, or 4 days ago, whatever it is, you're going to do it on the same one. So this is going to be a metric drawing. So make sure you have that metric size A. Open up. If you have, fast forward the video a moment. If not, I'll show you how to get there. Please subscribe to my channel. You go open, go to my share drive, so that everyone shares. Find Woith. Don't look at me back here and say, Woith, I found you. Or if you do, I'll probably laugh at you. If you do that, it'll be funny because I won't remember a fact I just told you to do that. But yeah, it's fine. Go down title blocks, hit engineering 1, metric size A. Please be on this one. Try to put all the metrics on one if you can. Okay? So on your packet, which you hopefully should have in front of you, I am going to do at least one this drawing, and if I get time, I will do 2 of them. I want to do something called the lace gasket. It's a fun one. I like it. You probably won't, but I like it. Okay, so I've been watching a few of your guys' drawings a little bit. Please make sure you know the difference between a radius circle and a diameter circle. So in this drawing, we're going to start off using diameter for the shell of it, and then everything else is radius. So diameter circle first. The reason why I say a diameter circle is that's what's on the sheet in front of you. Look down at your sheet, not your phone, but your sheet. This should be right in front of you. Move your phone aside, please, and look at the drawing. Are you looking at it? Okay, good. I hope. All right, so click here somewhere and type 160. Okay? So if you're wondering how big you drew it, remember, you can always go down to diameter circle, click this, move aside, and it should say 160. Your measurements should look a little different. That's normal because it's metric. Why? Metric people are weird. So I'm going to erase this for right now just so it's out of my way. Okay, so there's a lot of arraying in this. So if you're not comfortable with arraying, you will be after this because there's a lot of arraying, and if you do it my way, life will be so much easier. But before you array, we need to make your circles. So we're going to do a diameter circle again because that's what the sheet says. I wish I could hold it up. So diameter circle, click here, type in 20. Okay. If you're wondering ever how big you drew something, I close it out for a reason. If you click on something, whatever it is, right click and press properties, this thing pops up on your screen. Yours is probably floating like this. Okay. Would you be fair, would you take it and dump it over here, please? And then right down here you see it says radius and diameter. Now, if you messed up, now you can go ahead and you can change this number if you want. So let's say it's supposed to be 10. It's not, but see, it's really easy to change. Oops. Way too big. Way too big. Okay, let's make an array now. So, you can type in AR if you wish, or you can go up here and just go to polar array. I'm showing you guys different ways now because you're getting a little bit more used to the program. Click the circle right here. Press enter. Move your mouse in. Unless you touch this outside slowly, you won't activate your mark in the center. You click that. Make sure this is not checked. Uncheck this if it is. So now we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I was counting because I wasn't sure. There you go. Press enter again. Done. Okay. Leave the circle up here for right now. We're going to eventually erase it, but for right now, it is going to help you out. Guess what we're going to do next? Make another circle. We're going to do a radius circle. We're going to dump that right here. 20. Okay. If you were doing a diameter, it'd be 40 because it's half. Start to make sense with radius and like diameter. If not, oh well. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't force it to jump in. Okay, we're going to do another array. It'd be really hard to force a horse into water, really. I mean, it would probably kick you if you tried, but yeah. So you choose polar array, you click that circle, press enter, move your mouse inside here. Once again, change 6 to 12. circles. Okay, I did that twice. I could have done it once, but I want you guys to have extra practice at doing the array because you're going to do a lot of it this time. Okay, last week or whatever this series of this whole fun thing has taken place in, we did something called tangent, tangent, radius. It's right here. Click it. You're going to click the northeast of this and the northwest of this. So click and click. It does matter where, but it doesn't as long as you're in the right region. And this is 30. Just happened 30. Made that circle there. Let's do the same thing on the other side, and we'll save ourselves a little bit of time. So tangent, tangent, radius. Bada bing, bada boom. 30. Done. Trim. Click. Click. Okay. So now you should have what looks like the start of some eyes and eyebrows, maybe. It looks like an owl in my mind, but anyway. We're going to do another array. You're like, oh, more arrays. You guys should like arrays. I can make you, you'll do this a long way, but I'm not. Choose both these things, press enter. Once again, you're like, okay, I need to find the middle. I can't find it. Touch this circle right there. There it is. Click it. You see how it's going around? Guess how many you press, folks? That's right. The 1 and the 2. 12. Okay. Now we're going to do some trimming, but I'm going to trim it a different way than what you're used to. TR, press enter twice. I'm going to hit fence. Not much. Nothing. Mr. Bristow just chimed in on our thing. And that was your Mr. Bristow portion of the video, guys. Okay. I'm going to start this over. So just press escape. Trim, enter twice, hit fence. Watch this. Wherever I click, I hope you can hear my mouse right now. I'm going to put the speaker right by my mouse. See where I'm clicking? I'm actually trimming as I'm doing this. As long as I don't cross those thresholds, I'm good. The only part about this is if you mess up, you got to press escape and try it again. You can do it the old-fashioned way. I like doing it this way, so I don't have to be as accurate with my trims. I just want to get rid of this stuff here. Press enter when you're done, and that all goes away. Wow, look at that, right? That just saved you time. I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to hit fence again. I'm going to go around the world here in 80 days. You guys are too young to remember what that is. God, I feel old since I'm saying the fact that. You remember back in the day when we had to dial the numbers and remember all the things, and dial-up was a thing, so when you were online, your parents couldn't make phone calls, and if a call came in, it bumped you offline. Oh, those were the fun days of the internet. Oh, yeah. Cassette tapes. The little save icon that you love so much. That's a cassette, or that's a floppy disk, actually. Okay, I got mine down. Press enter. Done. The outside of this thing is fit. Oh, no, look, I messed up. Ah, shoot. Okay, so if you mess up, it's like I did. Maybe I can press shift, and it'll do an extend. Oh, look at that. That's so beautiful. So I'm still in trim. I press shift, and that extends it over to there. Now I let go of shift. I click, and I'm done. It looks like I missed these guys here, too, so I'm going to just go back and do an old-fashioned trim on these. Probably talking too much. I usually do that. Okay. Press enter. All that's done. Now I can erase. No, don't erase that circle yet. I still need it. Okay, next is a little slot thing here in the middle to do. So we're going to do a radius circle. Nope, diameter. Sorry, I was reading it wrong. Diameter circle. Right smack dab in the middle here. It says 50. Okay. I'm going to just choose a line. Click in the middle here. Draw it out. And it said the spacing is 40. Do this differently than I've done it in the past. Okay, radius circle. 10. Draw that. Now I'm just wanting a little bit differently than I've done in the past. So click the circle here. Choose in the middle. Copy. If I move my mouse to the right, and I type in 80, it'll put it in the exact spot I need to. Beautiful, huh? Line across the quadrants. Enter, enter. Remember, if you press enter twice, or if you press enter after you do a command, it'll automatically redo your last command. There you go. Trim. Bada bing, bada boom, bada done. Save it. If you want to erase this, you can. Otherwise, I could care less. So this drawing is done. You may have thought it was impossible, but you did it. Maybe. All right. Good job. I'll see you on the next video.